Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2018 Honda HR-V. This HR-V is featured in the EX trim and is a blue paint finish. It includes features such as our heated cloth premium bucket seats, backup camera with multi-view cameras, our alloy wheels with our all-terrain tires, our Honda safety sense with our lane keep alert, forward collision warning, as well as our powered sunroof, and much more. Now moving down the side of the vehicle. On the hood, we have a 3M protective cover. Moving down to our front tire and rim, we have an aluminum rim with our Honda center cap and an all-season tire. Paint match door handle in the front, as well as paint match mirror cap. Door handle is up top in a black finish on the back of the vehicle. Moving all the way around to the back, we can see we have all of our HR-V, Honda, and all-wheel drive badging in chrome. Backup camera below our Honda logo. We have our handle also just in the center. In the back of the vehicle, we have our cargo cover, a all-weather mat, as well as 60/40 folding split rear seating. Moving into the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power windows, power mirrors, as well as our power locks, some storage, as well as a speaker in the bottom of the door. Just to the left of the steering wheel, we have our econ mode, our wiper De-Icer, as well as traction controls. Driver's seat finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. On the right-hand side, we have an information system. Moving to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our hands-free settings, as well as some additional ones below. And the right-hand side has our adaptive cruise controls. We have paddle shifters up top on either side. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system. You can see we have Bluetooth, audio, as well as a connection with our phones, an MP3 player up top. If we go back to our menu, we can see all of our station list. Hitting the home button, you can also see we have info and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we have our backup camera with our multiple views. Moving down below it, we have our push to start ignition, heated seats for the driver and the passenger, dual zone climate control with AC. Then we have our shifter, electronic park brake, as well as our brake hold. A center console with 2 cup holders. Inside the cup holder, we can see our key. We have our locks and unlocks, a trunk release, as well as our alarm system. Center console has the handle underneath. We can see in the back, we have some more deep storage. Moving to the passenger seat, it's also finished in our black cloth. Then lastly, above the rear view mirror, we have our dome lights, as well as our sunroof control. And then lastly, our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2018 Honda HR-V. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have a storage pocket in the back of the passenger seat. Between the 2 front seats, we have a single cup holder as well as a power outlet. Moving to the seats in the second row, we can see we have 3 of them in a 60/40 fold-up split, all finished in our black cloth. Up top on either of the outer seats, we can pull up to fold these seats, and we can see we can make some additional storage space.